Welcome back to One Man Op Fishing. I am actually out in the morning fishing today. Had a day off that had to swap with somebody else, so I ended up getting off a different day, and I decided to get my rear end up. Not early, it's about 9:30. I had to run off a couple errands first, but now we're here. We're at Cornerstone. I have not fished this place in the morning in many years, and the only problem today is it is windy as hell. I was trying to show you the chop on the water. I mean, there's an actual chop on the water, it's so windy, but it's an absolutely beautiful day. Finally, it cooled back off a little bit. It's probably 75, 77, something like that, but very windy. So we'll see how that affects the fishing. I can't wait. Let's get to it. Yeah, let's get to it. All right. I don't know, guys. I have not fished in this much wind in years. I mean, it is blowing a good 20, 25 mile an hour gusts. I don't know why it's so windy all of a sudden. It was not this windy yesterday. Okay, we've still got our weedless Texas rigged culprit trick worm from our last outing last week, and let's just see if you know, anything's interested on something on the bottom. It may just be the wind has driven these guys. There's something. Oh man, I missed him. Damn, something took him, tightened my line. Boy, I don't know how I missed him. Look at that. Destroyed my worm. Took the tail right off it. Look at that. Jeez. Okay, well. There is a flat side to these worms, so you're just going to go right in through the top. I like to get it down a little ways. Bring it out. Be careful. Flip it. Cover the top of the hook, and then just right up the middle. Okay, let's see if whatever I missed is still interested, perhaps. There we go. He was sitting right there still. Pretty decent fish, too. Nice. That's a good fish. That is a good fish, guys. That's gonna go a pound. Ooh, he's a fatty. Spawn is coming. Or she's a fatty. I'm gonna say almost a pound and a half. Pound 6, pound 8. Come here, Darm. Sorry about that. I try and keep these fish off the ground, but sometimes you just can't do things with one hand. There we go. 1 pound. Look at that. 1.7, 1.8. He's a jumper. 1.8. Outstanding, guys. Beautiful fish. And this is not a big mouth on this bass. Look how small the mouth is. But a fatty. Good, healthy fish in these here waters. All right, darling. There you go. Nice. See, that bass was not interested at all in my shallow runner. And it was sitting, I casted that right across that bass a couple of times. Just was not interested, wanted something on the bottom. There's something tapping at it. Yes, there is. I feel it tapping. Yeah. Oh, that's a good fish, guys. That's a good fish. Goodness gracious. It's either a really good fish or it's caught in some serious weeds. Oh, it was the weeds. It was caught in the eelgrass. Man, I thought that fish was 3 or 4 pounds. God, that's funny. He frickin' psyched me, stuck in the eelgrass. Look at him, cute little guy. He's got a little imperfection there, not worth weighing. There's all kinds. You can catch largemouth bass. You can catch peacock bass. There's something called Mayan cichlids here. Yeah. There are freshwater mullet in these waters. All kinds, you know, little fish, bigger fish.
You just do it for sport, though?
Just for sport.
Yeah.
Throw them on back, you know. Let them live. All right, that's 2 fish on our frickin' on our trick worm from Culprit. I tell you, I think the sun higher in the sky really gives the Culprit worm a really nice look in the water. You know, these pumpkin seeds are a really good color for South Florida. Tell you, if I had known it was going to be this windy, I would have put a bigger weight on there, I think. There's a fish. There's another one. This one was right where the other one was, right in that heavy grass. Yeah, wow. That's 3 fish in about 10 minutes. Stop spinning, darling. I got you. Yeah. Wow. I caught this guy. Check it out, guys. The outside. He tapped it, must have spit it. And I got him. There we go. In between him trying to get it. Oh, that's a nice fish. That goes a pound. You know, I'm not going to weigh him, but that's a pound. Maybe a tiny bit more, maybe a tiny bit less. But man, the fish are just crushing that Culprit worm. Damn, I'm loving it. More morning fishing for one man up. There you go, darling. So far, I've had all my luck on this side of the bridge and no luck on the other side. This, you know, the bridge obviously blocks some of the wind. Much calmer on this side. I usually have pretty good luck right along here. There's a big line of eelgrass that goes straight out and then it cuts in. Usually there's something hanging out right along here. It's almost noon. So the sun's high in the sky. I'm so used to afternoon fishing, you got to change your tactics around. The sun is going to be more intense. It's going to be brighter. The sun's going to penetrate deeper into the water. There's something right there. Just tapped it. Oh, I missed him. Oh, how did that happen? What the hell? I broke off my damn line. I just changed this out. Got some serious gusts, guys. My pole just almost went over. All right, I have not morning fished a single time on any of my videos. This is the first time I've been out in the morning to fish in, I don't know, a lot of years, many, many years. I've been doing a lot of afternoon fishing. It's been great, But this was fantastic. It's a perfectly beautiful day in South Florida. It is a little windy, which I've been talking about, but we caught 3 fish. I just missed one 5 minutes ago because I'm stupid. When I get home, I'm gonna take that old line off. I'm gonna put some brand new white 30-pound spider wire on there. I'm gonna blacken the end, gonna reattach my hooks and line and be nice fresh. No more breaks, no more stupid losses. So, gotta run some errands, but thanks for coming out with me again. If you're enjoying the content, like, subscribe, and as always, leave Mike a comment. I much appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next one. All right, beautiful.